soon there'll be your judgment day. Pretty soon you'll be in decay. Pretty soon on a marble slab you'll lie. Just hope someone's with you when you're done.
Excuse me. I have something to ask you. I don't know how to put it. The thing is, I want to lick your hands.
My hands?
For 25 years I've had this unfulfilled obsession thing. I'm getting married the day after tomorrow. I need your help.
So fetishy.
I know, it's bizarre.
It is.
I know it's a lot to ask, but will you help me?
Sure.
That's enough. Thanks.
What? Is there something wrong with me?
No, not at all. Seriously, I love your hands. See? See? Please, let me make it up to you somehow.
You can.
Pretty soon there'll be your judgment day. Pretty soon you'll be in decay. Pretty soon maggots eat your flesh.